What's going on, guys? It's Hy, and as you can see, my Supra's engine bay has a bit of a red theme going on. The car came from the factory with a black and red engine cover. I added the Engine Evolution 2300 intake and the Blitz front strut tower bar. Things are looking pretty good, but there are a few more touches that I can add, like these Golden Wrench supplied caps. We have the coolant cap, heat exchanger cap, and engine oil cap. All three are CNC milled from T6 aluminum and anodized to get the red color. It should be noted that these Golden Wrench supplied caps are covers and not complete replacements. This means that we affixed them on top of the OEM caps. All three caps come with pre-cut double-sided 3M VHB tape. Installation is pretty straightforward as you're just taping the parts on, and there isn't too much to the process. But after doing this for myself, there are a few things that I want to point out that may make the process a bit easier for you. First, make sure that you're installing on a clean surface. I'm using Chemical Guy's Wipeout, which is an isopropyl alcohol mixture. A product like this will strip the surface of waxes and oils. This will make the surface bare and will allow for the best adhesion with the tape. The next thing to think about is temperature. I installed these caps during winter and it's pretty chilly outside. This means that the tape is not going to stick as well as if it were installed during a warmer time of year. To combat the climate, I used a heat gun to warm up the various surfaces prior to applying the tape. This in turn will warm up the tape and make it tackier. Once the surfaces are cleaned and warm, it's just a matter of sticking the parts into place. I personally installed the two coolant caps without removing anything, but you can take the stock caps off and install the new ones off the car if that's easier for you. Installation of the engine cap is going to be the exact same. Clean the cap, warm it up, apply the tape, and install. However, with the engine cap, I find that removing it from the engine does make things a bit easier. And there we go. A few minutes of really easy, straightforward work, and we have an engine that has a little bit less visible plastic and a little bit more character. Now, along with the engine bay caps, I did also pick up the gas cap cover from Golden Wrench Supply. This part is also not a complete replacement and is also held in place with 3M tape, so installation is going to be roughly the same. And that's going to be it. If you're looking for some extra color for your Supra, definitely check out the offerings from Golden Wrench Supply. You can also use the code HT10 for 10% off of everything from the Golden Wrench Supply website. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up, share it around, comment down below with any thoughts or questions that you may have, subscribe for more content to come. If you want to further support my work, consider hitting the join button down below and become a member of the channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.